Since 2014, the Yategood brand has been deeply engaged in the field of 5G POC technology. Relying on a 50,000 square meter intelligent production base and a 150-plus professional team, it has built a full link service system from R&D to after sales. We provide ODM customization, exclusive sales agency and flexible supply chain solutions to global customers, and help partners control market channels with a differentiated product matrix. This walkie-talkie stands out among many walkie-talkie styles and is a hot seller. It has a comfortable, ergonomic design and is not tiring to hold for a long time. In terms of functions, there are also single call and group call. The sound quality is clear and low latency, able to meet various work needs. Now based on China's smart manufacturing, we are fully committed to promoting the strategic layout of public network walkie-talkies in the global civilian market. We sincerely recruit agents worldwide. If you are interested, please leave a message in the video, or click the website link in my personal profile to contact us.